One of the reasons this area has got the international Dyfi biosphere status is the wildlife and the landscape, of course, which is very precious. And one of the best ways to see it is to walk in it and be in it. So you can walk from Machynlleth to the Dyfi Osprey Centre, you can walk up Glyndwr's Way and be in the wilds with the buzzards keeling overhead, and then you can go down to the coast and you can watch for the seals if you're lucky.
So what I think is really great about walking in the Dyfi Valley is the choice that you have. And so you can do anything from a real challenge, climbing Aran Valdwy, which is quite a remote and challenging mountain, to, if it's a wet day, just wandering along the river. You can walk by waterfalls, you can walk to the sea.
There's a huge variety and richness of different habitats and places to walk and types of walk. So you've got cliff tops and seas and beaches, and then you've got along the rivers and up on the moors with the peat moors and the wildness and the challenge, if you want it, of the Glyndwr's Way as well, and the connection with the coast path here in Machynlleth.